You're slipping.
Hang on.
Alex, help.
Hang on. Hang on. Oh, shit. You gonna let me ride you? Hmm?
Oh, hey.
Welcome back to another one. So today,
Got the old weenie rig hooked up.
I'm with Gabby and my buddy Alex. We're gonna throw some jugs in the pond and try to catch some whisker fish. So, baiting them up with hot dogs. Yay!
Go get him.
And yeah, we're gonna catch some to eat, so stay tuned because we're also doing a catch, clean, cook.
That's gonna be the first fish.
It's gonna be the first.
Oh!
Hold up, there he goes. Wait for it. Get it.
Take it. He wants it.
He might be on there. He's just not very big.
No.
Anyways, a little bit cheating, I ain't gonna lie.
You wanna help me out, maybe?
He's still biting it. He's still biting it. Anyways, I'm not gonna lie, we're a little bit cheating because we're in a private pond. It's got a few fish in it, but they need thinned out, so that's what we're gonna do. We got the kayaks. And anyways, got the kayaks, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep like 10-ish. We're gonna cook them up. I'm gonna show you guys an awesome recipe, so stay tuned. Let's catch them.
That'll be all right.
Yeah, you can see it.
Oh, don't run him over. That's cheap guy.
Oh. Keep it.
What? Yeah, bring him back.
Yeah. All right, so Alex got the fish,
And there goes kayak.
but he left something out there. Yeah. So, good thing we got more kayaks. But there's one down. On to the next. All right, everybody. As you know, they lost the kayak. So we going on a rescue mission.
Next time he comes over, you're planning on his last one in there. Paddle around.
Ah,
Next time he comes over, you're planning on his
I'm kind of in a situation. I can't paddle off this side. I should have brought mine and tied the rope to it. Look at it. Look at it. Here we go. We got a fish on, but we had to go to this rescue mission. See what you did, Alex? Making me paddle like this, okay? Thank you. I know. I'm hot. I'm a stud. I'm actually a 300-pound stud. They don't call me a stud muffin. They call me a... Yeah, I did. I'm talking to him right now. They don't call me a... Look, I'm just saying. I'm not a stud muffin. I'm a stud stone. Because I'm heavy. Oh, man, I'm an idiot. All right, catch it, somebody.
You want to switch sides?
Oh, no, I'm quite comfortable. I just don't know if I can get out of this one either. All right, we got fish on this one. We're going to grab her, maybe. Maybe. We got it.
Oh, let him go, baby.
I ain't got the pliers, man.
You grabbed them.
No, I didn't.
Did you swallow it?
We got one. Now it's... Oh! Dude, he just got me wet. Give me a second. All right.
Hey! Oh, snap! Oh, hell!
Okay, he's hooked up in the lip pretty high, so I'm gonna bring him back to you.
All right, get this one.
Would you just give me a second?
That's a good fish.
You want to bet? We thought this one was a good fit. Oh, hang on, let me turn to go.
See if I go back in the water.
Okay, he's in the water.
Well, you're pulling him around.
That's good oxygen, man. I wish people would pull me around. No, I just rely on my pickup. Well, he may be drowning. I don't know if that's possible, but... All right. Let's go get him. We got 2 on. We're gonna get him. Gotta fix my GoPro. Okay. What? The middle's supposed to be about 18 feet. 16 feet. Oh, whoa, whoa. Thumbnail. All right. Oh no. Yeah, he's gonna have to go with us. Yeah. That one's got to go with us. Oh, guys, we're only trying to keep bigger fish. Oh, oh, saddle, saddle. We're only trying to keep bigger fish. I know that's a decent sized catfish, good eating size, but we're only trying to keep like the real big ones out of here and like let the little ones get a little bit bigger. But when you hook them in the gills, they ain't gonna live anyways, so. On to the next. I feel like I'm in the Olympics. Oh, oh, look at him. Look, he's dunking. He's dunking. There's a tank. He's a tank. He's a tank. Swerve, 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 swerve. Come here. Come here. Nope, under the boat, under the vessel. Gotcha. There we go. That's a better fish. There we go. That's a keeper. Well, spit it out. Come on. Ow. Spit it out. Spit it out.
Oh, you got another one.
Well, this one won't spit it out.
Well, tell him. Slap him on the butt and make him spit.
Oh, there's frog. There's frog.
We didn't bring the frog jig. Oh, I got clay on my side too. Do I look like I've just been sweating a bunch?
Something like that.
Yeah, that's what I thought. My feet sweat really bad. My boots are just up, man.
Listen, he's grunting. He's grunting. Smile. They look like he's full of eggs or full of something. He'll be all right. We'll keep him. He'll eat. He'll eat. I'm gonna talk back to him. Wait. Gabe, what was that supposed to do?
My weenie was supposed to.
Made it like a yard.
I know.
Go get it. You're already wet.
Oh no. Struggling. Here he comes out.
You're on, you're on.
Here he comes.
Get him bobbing. Let him bob a little bit. Oh, he's on the boat. Get him right there.
Grab him, grab him, grab him.
You got him, Alex. You got him. Come here.
We got him.
It's small.
Can we keep him? Yeah, we'll keep him. Let's go. I don't know if I can get out of this motherfucker again.
Hey, tilt back a bit so your GoPro's sounding better. Oh, he's talking to you. You're a talker. You're a talker. Oh, blood. YouTube won't like it. Alright, shot me. Alright, guys, so we got our fish back here and time to clean them. So you can do the old-fashioned way with the skinners, and you can make a slit right here on the catfish. Here, you can make a slit right here, use your skinners, pull the skin off, or you could just use your electric fillet knife, which I use. Start down here beneath the dorsal fin. Split, all the way down the ribs. All the way down them. Flip them over. Because most of the skin you're going to cut off anyway, it's going to be like their mud vein and stuff. So, I mean, it's completely fine to use your electric knife, because most of the stuff on the meat closest to the skin is going to be your mud vein anyways. So, if I get my fillet knife to work, go down to meet their skin, fillet them out. Got your fillet.
Cut the rib out of them.
Yep. Got the ribs right there. Right there's the ribs. Go out, fill up the bucket. There you go. Nice clean fillet. So I will see you guys in the kitchen while we're cooking them. Alright guys, so now we are back in here, and I was going to do something a little bit different with these. Got them there soaking, but it is way too hot outside, and it's supposed to be like 101 to 105 this week, so I am not going to blacken them on the cast iron skillet like I was planning on doing, because I'd have to open the windows. It would look like the house on fire. So I'm going to do kind of the same, but I'm going to put them in the oven. Sorry, but next time. So let's get in. Alright, so here we are. I got these all cleaned up. What you want to do is you want to take any of that red skin off. Any of the silver skin's got to come off. Check them for bones. If you're good enough filleting, you ain't got to worry about that, but I'm not, so yeah, I had to go back through and clean them up. Anyways, jump right into it. All you're going to need, butter, garlic powder, and whatever blackening seasoning you want. I mean, anything works. So I don't know how much of what I use. I just throw it all on there and throw them in the oven. That's it. We don't do tablespoon stuff around here. You just throw it on and throw them in the oven. Also, those that know me, I'm a little bit healthier eater. This is a healthier way to eat fish, but you know, we're in America, so you could just throw some batter on them and throw them in the fryer. That works too. Anyways, so we're gonna dust them up, get them in that pan, throw them in that oven. Simple enough, you know what I'm saying? Let's do it. Lots of garlic powder. Yep. Throw it on. Sauce it up. Sauce them up. Sauce them up. Sauce them up. Okay. That blackening seasoning. The more you put on it, the hotter it's going to be. Okay. Flip them over, and we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Alright, so that is the finished product. I meant to show you guys before I threw it on my plate, if I can get that, but I'm fat and wasn't thinking, and just threw it on there. So anyways, that is all of this video. If you guys like it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, because that helps the algorithm. It'll send it to more people, wider audience can view it, and help small channels like mine grow. And it's really motivating to see more people see my videos. It gives me, because like this stuff takes for, like, here, look, I'm editing a video here, so it takes me like 2 hours to put these little videos together. So if you guys could help spread it, I'd appreciate it. Anyways, stay tuned, and next time I'll show you guys the American way. We'll throw them bad boys in batter and throw them in the deep fryer behind me. Anyways, till next time, see you guys on the next.